Okay, what's up you guys? Tamer here from Tame Life. Super excited to be here with you guys today. We've just launched the first official Tame Life Retreat in partnership with Beyond Alabang down here in the beautiful place of Batangas, Philippines. At this experience, you can expect to not only move your body in our anti-gravity outdoor hammock rigs, with mat yoga, with high-intensity interval training, with the beauty of the sea behind us, but we'll also be sharing with you mindfulness practices, breathing work exercises, morning meditations, as well as a handful of inspirational personal development tools to tame your life. I'm super excited to be here and I can't wait to share it with all of you who will be joining us at this beautiful retreat location down here in Batangas. To find out more, make sure you like, follow, share, subscribe, check out our website for upcoming dates and details, and I can't wait to share with you ways to tame your life. I'll see you guys there. What's up you guys, Tamer here from Tame Life. Started off today with a great exercise, and then part of our ways of giving back is we clean up the beach. So come check it out. We have about 20 kilos of plastic in this bag and in the other bag. And here's the team that helped us clean the beach.